Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you didn't know, I have a Discord. Yep. And in that Discord, we do something that we call an artsy exhibition. We do this every few months. So we all decide on a prompt and then we make whatever we want that fits, falls under that prompt in whatever art style and like art medium that we want. I believe last prompt was like spooky plants or spooky nature, and we had a ton of really cool submissions. These are some of my like favorite streams to do. Basically just scroll through and look at everyone's art and be like, wow, this is amazing. And also people have like learned a new skill, a new craft for the exhibition, which brings me to what I'm gonna be doing in this video. Anyway, the last couple of prompts I've done rugs, rug tufter. But this time I wanted to like learn a new skill. Kind of. I kind of know how to crochet a little. I know how to crochet like very simple flowers. Very simple. And our prompt this time is one of my favorites. It is just a little guy. So I'm going to be following this tutorial right here to make a very cute little bat. I've never made, we're gonna crochet a bat. And full disclosure, I did already start this, but it turned out to be so funny. I was literally in tears making this thing that I frogged everything that I did so far. And I thought it would be fun to do it together and like film it. My first time making a little guy. So I have all the ingredients. I have crochet hooks, I have eyeballs, I've got stitch markers. This entire kit and eyeballs were made by Paradox. So we're gonna get started. So first things first, I want to say that making a magic ring is insanity. Magic rings are sorcery. I have the video just with the magic ring part, the slowest possible speed. Because also when people crochet and have tutorials, it's like, oh, and then you do this. It's not their fault. I'm not saying it's their fault. So we just did this. Okay. The magic ring isn't magical. They should call it the awful ring. Let's move on. What do you mean? What does that mean? Let's see it again. Really quick. Any jokes I make are not against the pattern maker. Just funnies and ha-has about being a first-time crocheter, you know what I'm saying? Okay, can we all calm down? Here's what I've got so far. I think this is right. And if it's not,
it's right.
Then do some wraparounds. And then that's 2, baby. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, this is what it looks like. So my 2 yellow strings, I guess I'm pulling on them to tighten them. I think we're making a little bee hole. Okay, so now we're increasing. So I think that means I go into the same stitch twice. Okay. You know how it's like two strands of yarn? Anyways, 1 and then another one in the same. It's so tight, man. I'm only going in the front part of the stitch, okay? Sue me. 5. Wait, what? So this is what it looks like on my side, which looks just like theirs. Yeah. So I just did a single crochet. So I did an increase, and then a single, and now we're gonna do an increase in the next one. My God, how do you guys like keep track? Oh, we're getting gappy. We're getting holy. What are we on? And now Artsymadwoman loses her mind to crocheting. Was that an increase? Or was that just one? I think we're supposed to pop that out this way because this is the top of the head. We are on increase part 1, increase part 2. Oh, we've got a hole. It doesn't matter. And then increase. All right, here we have the top of the nog, the dome, if you will. So they said that the next 4 rounds is single crochet into each. I can do that. And I've also moved my stitch marker so we'll know when we're there, baby. I'm so like in awe now at the tension that crocheters must have to get these, you know, no holes, just like perfectly shaped little plushy guys. You guys must have this yarn at like a turning into a cup to hold brains. 1, 2, 3, and here is the head. We're gonna put the eyeballs on. These are the eyes that I have. They were handmade. Oh, that looks really cute. Oh, that's kind of cute too. And I'm gonna lip them on.
The rest of their lives.
And the other one. Okay, so back to it. We are now doing decreases, which I guess is like you know, you slip in to 2 stitches. Wow, I think we're making the neck. All right, I'm gonna come back to you when I'm done doing 1 bazillion decreases. Our nog so far, and here's what it looks like with the decreases. So I think I'm gonna start stuffing it. I've been told to like fluff the fluff, and then we're gonna put some fluff in. I've also been told to like work it into the walls. Work it. You better work. How's your head? This is looking real. Oh my god. Next round is some single crochets. Y'all, our little guy, our little guy has a neck. Look at this neck. But also, I'm a little tempted to flip him over and call him a cauldron and make little bubbles to put in him. Is this not a freaking cauldron? All right, so the next rounds are a lot of the same, so montage time. My little guy is coming to life. Look at him. He's looking right. I frogged my first version of this in hopes that the second version was going to be just as funny and hilarious looking. But I am doing good, which is partially upsetting. Anyway, so we are about to do the feet. So I've put little markers where I want his little feet to go. I'm sorry. Bobbles? Oh, those are the feet? A little bobble. Just put a little bobble right there. Just a little bobble foot. I love that. Prepare your eyes. Prepare your balls. Your eyeballs for my bobble. It's just a little nub. It's just a little foot. Alright, so you like yarn over and then you go in there and you grab more yarn and then you yarn over again. And then you pull through 2. Now you have 2, okay? You yarn over again, go into the same stitch, get more yarn, yarn over again, pull through 2. Now we have 3. Yarn over, go back in there, grab more, pull, yarn over again, pull through 2. Now we've got 4, okay? Yarn over again, you're not done, and then go through, pull more yarn through, and then yarn over again on the other side, and pull through 2. Now we've got 5. You think that's the end? It's not. Yarn over. Go in again. Grab more yarn. Pull it through. Yarn over again. Okay? Pull through 2. Now we have 6. We're going to yarn over. The most satisfying thing you'll ever see in your life. Did you see that? You pull through all 6. Crocheting is crazy. We've got a couple of feet. They're just a couple of little doots. All right, so I have decreased. Now we're gonna stuff his little... All right, let's close his hole. I fear that I have created something, period. I have created something Adorable. This looks legit. All right, I think we're moving on to the ears now. Upsettingly, we are back to
Evil ring.
oh god, okay, we're just moving. We're moving now. You made the body, you must be an expert. What does MR mean? Chain 2, mister. No clue. Magic ring. See, because in my head it's evil ring, so. Why are we doing a magic ring for the ears? Aren't they just triangles? Is this an ear or cute little hat? I guess it could be an ear if that's how it goes on. Put a little stitch marker here because I don't know how to count. 1, 2, 3. Increase. Get bigger. 1, 2, 3. Increase. This cannot be. I don't think this is right. I'm frogging it. This cannot be right. This cannot be right. I don't know what else that could mean, though. If it was right, though, I'm going to be really annoyed.
If it was right, though, I'm gonna be really annoyed.
All right. Okay. So, success has ended. The success has ended. The ears. It literally goes around his head. I do not understand this. Huh? What are you talking about? Here, let's just put the hook through the bottom here, and now we have a martini glass. There's no way that this is right. Wait a second. I just realized I have free will. I don't have to go by this pattern. I'm gonna make my own little triangles because that's what theirs looks like. So, we're gonna get in there. We're gonna increase a 1 and a 2 and a... Like, what if I have his ears just be these, like, little nubs? It needs to be bigger than that. Increase this. I think that's good. Why are we going crazy with literally 7 rows? All right, I'm just gonna like I'm gonna slip stitch into the first thing. That's an ear. And if you disagree, guess what? Don't care. Yeah, he looks like he's wearing space buns. Looking kind of cute. You know what? As long as the bat wings come out, that's all I care about, because I think that that's the only piece of this that is gonna make it look like a bat. Some bats probably have little nubs for ears. Oh my god. Does everything need an evil ring? Not crochet flowers, I'll tell you that.
So evil, it's so evil.
I think I understand what it means now, though. Oh, no, I don't. I'm not even gonna pretend that I do. Nub. Heather, how on earth is that going to be a wing? Great question. I think that's a good wing because we have more to do. We're improvising. This is all I have left, by the way. The other wing might be smaller. Okay. We're gonna chain 2. 1, 2. Hey, that's a nice hump. Hey, nice hump on that wing. Hole. Free me. Free me from this hell. Just get the hook in there somewhere. Okay. So, it is not spaced out correctly, even a little. But that's giving Batwing. It's like a dino foot. All right, let's do another one of those. Okay, the second wing is done, and it's much better than the first one. I think this looks like a wing. Yes. I'm gonna stitch these together, and then we're gonna see what he looks like. This little guy just soaked up my whole day, but I finished him. It's not perfect. He kind of looks more like maybe a flying squirrel, but I'm fine with that too. I did give him like little fangs. It's a flying creature of some sort, and I'm happy with that. And it is still miles better than my first try on this. He's definitely a purple flying squirrel. I love him. I wonder what chat is going to name him. This took me 6 hours. If I don't see another increased single crochet 2 times in my life, I'll be very happy. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I don't know what. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch, which is the Artsymadwoman. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern if you are interested in joining us. I do all things rug tufting. The link to the Discord is down in the description. Anyway, we love y'all to absolute death, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!